Woodworking Tools 2.0 Carpenter Square. Framing carpenters have carried a lipped square with 90 degrees and 45-degree angles in their tool belts since the 1920s. Nothing can be faster to strike a square or 45-degree line across 2x4s and 2x6s. Furniture and cabinet makers have tried to adapt the same tool to their work, but many have found the widely available models lacking the precision and features they demand. Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the 6SS 2.0 stainless steel Carpenter Square, takes the fundamental features of the standard Carpenter Square and elevates the design to meet the expectations of demanding woodworkers. Whether you're working on structures, cabinets, or furniture, if you demand a square that delivers accuracy along with speed, Woodpecker's 6SS 2.0 stainless steel Carpenter Square is the right choice for you. Each 6SS 2.0 Carpenter Square includes a wall-mountable racket to keep your Carpenter Square out of harm's way, but always within easy reach. TID 18 Impact Driver. This compact powerhouse offers an impressive service life thanks to its extremely robust hammer mechanism. The perfect combination of the new generation brushless EC Tech motor and the battery pack ensures maximum performance and endurance. The TID 18 turns the screw without straining your wrist, thanks to the hammer mechanism striking on the tangent, along the direction of the rotation. Compact design enables you to work accurately and for longer without becoming tired, even in hard-to-reach areas. The TID 18 cordless impact screwdriver offers extremely strong performance and ensures that work is tailored to the material with 3-speed settings. The clever T mode detects the transition between sheet metal and wood and automatically adapts the speed. Gents Saw Package. Every woodworker needs to have a few hand saws. Even the most adamant of power tool woodworkers will agree that there are times you just need a handsaw. The Pack 6-inch razor saw, item 101-680, features a 6-inch long, extremely fine 40 TPI blade that is suitable for the finest work. Because the teeth are so fine, this saw leaves an extremely smooth surface, making it perfect for small and delicate joinery tasks. Pack's 8-inch mini Gents saw, item 101-681, features an 8-inch long 20 TPI blade that cuts quickly while leaving a smooth surface. This traditional saw is perfect for cutting dovetails in fine furniture, as well as other joinery tasks. Mini Mega Flush Trim Router Bits. The Mini Mega Flush Trim Router Bits share the same quattro compression design as their big brothers, the half-inch shank Mega Flush Trim Router Bits. They also have top and bottom bearings, so you can use them for flush trimming and powder routing applications, and with their 1/4 inch shanks, they can be used in any router with a 1/4 inch collet, including the Bosch Colt, DeWalt 611, Rigid R24012, and many more. Tackling reversing grain when pattern routing is unavoidable. Having a top and bottom bearing allows you to handle the situation with ease, because you can flip your workplace over without removing the template. Simply adjust your bit height so the other bearing lines up with your template, and you'll get great results every time. The 4-cutter compression geometry, or quattro compression as we like to call it, greatly reduces the need to worry about the grain orientation for most flush trimming operations. Each Mini Mega Flush Trim Router bit has 4 carbide cutters. Table Saw Router. As woodworkers, one of the biggest challenges we face is having limited shop space. It doesn't matter if your shop is a garden shed, 1 or 2 car garage, or a corner in an industrial complex. Having room for the tools you need and space to work is a challenge. The table saw is typically the cornerstone of the workshop, but it's also one of the biggest space hogs with an extension table that for many becomes the Bermuda Triangle for scraps, coffee cups, and tools. But we're not taking this one lying down. Rather than accept that this space is wasted, we've created an extension table that turns this underused space into a full-feature router table. The Infinity Table Saw Router Table is available in 2 different lengths. One for saws with a 36-inch fence, TSRT-029, and one for saws with a 50-inch or 52-inch fence, TSRT-047. Both of these tables are 27 inches wide and will fit pretty much any table saw that has a 27-inch deep table, including most contractor-style, hybrid, and cabinet-style table saws. Rage 3. The Rage 3 offers all the functionality of a normal miter saw. while cutting through materials never thought possible. This 10-inch sliding compound miter saw will cut steel, aluminum, plastic, and wood, even wood, with nails, using just one blade. The cut is fast, clean, and accurate, producing no burr and virtually no sparks when cutting steel. There is no heat buildup either, so the material is cool and can be handled straight away. Multi-purpose cutting is coupled with useful features, such as an inline handle enabling left or right-handed use, adjustable cutting depths for grooving, laser guidance system, and robust outer casing enhancing durability. A high torque motor and optimized gearbox make this a powerful and reliable compound sliding miter saw. Cutting depth can be adjusted to allow for grooving and trenching. 15A powerful high torque motor with soft start. Comes with an ultra high grade 28-tooth tungsten carbide tipped blade, allowing you to make miter cuts through wood, mild steel, aluminum, and more. Edge saw blades. Bosch edge reciprocating saw blades start sharp, stay sharp, and with turbo teeth technology, last up to 3 times longer than standard reciprocating saw blades. Designed for extreme cuts for tough construction uses, these blades deliver the best performance for pro cutting applications. The Edge's exclusive turbo teeth design, performance-optimized blade geometry, and Swiss-made reliability add up to a line of blades that deliver results. D-handle jig saw. The M18 fuel D-handle jig saw combines power, blade speed, and precision to deliver quality cuts in a wide variety of materials and applications. Equipped with Milwaukee's PowerState brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, the M18 fuel D-handle jig saw provides higher blade speed than corded jig saws at 3,500 strokes per minute, minimizing chipping or bucking for clean, controlled cuts. With the M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery, the saw is capable of cutting up to 105 linear feet of 3/4-inch laminated particle board, delivering all-day productivity with less trips to the charger. The M18 Fuel D-handle jig saw features a variable speed 2-finger trigger, toolless blade change and bevel adjust, and an integrated LED light with on-off blower to maximize cut line visibility. Magnifying LED work light. LED work light puts out an eye-opening flood of bright light from its 14 LED lights. The light is attached to a completely adjustable arm, which is mounted on a magnetic base. You'll find it very easy to attach the work light to any piece of machinery in your shop. The work light also comes with a handy metal table clamp, so you can secure it to non-metal surfaces as well. Great for small carving, detailed woodworking, or whenever you need to see your work closer and with more clarity. It measures 4 inches in diameter and features a 3 times magnifying lens. You can power this LED work light one of 2 ways, with the 110-volt power cord or with 2 each AAA batteries. Maximum clamp opening is 2.5 inches. Door skate. Introducing Trend Door Skate, a simple tool that allows door and sheet material to be moved around workshop more easily. It has a robust molded plastic body with large polyurethane wheels with ball bearings for smooth operation. It is ideal for doors, sheet material, boards, and worktops. For sheet and door doors for up to 45mm thickness. Maximum sheet size of 2400mm x 1200mm and maximum weight of 226 kilograms. Concealed Hinge Jig. The Concealed Hinge Jig allows you to drill cup holes for a concealed cabinet door hinge using just a drill. The jig positions an included carbide tipped bit exactly at the proper position and offset, and drills to the perfect depth every time, thanks to a depth stop collar. And it ensures that you can mount cabinet doors that fit great and work properly. Concealed hinges are great for mounting cabinet doors because they stay out of sight. They're adjustable, and they work very well. Mounting them, though, requires drilling a large hole at a very specific position and depth. The Craig Concealed Hinge Jig takes the guesswork out of drilling those holes and allows you to do it with nothing more than a drill and the carbide-tipped bit that comes with a jig. The Concealed Hinge Jig consists of a glass-filled nylon base with a hole that receives a drill guide. Indexing cams ensures that the jig positions the bit to drill a hole at the required offset, which is dictated by each hinge. And a built-in stop collar ensures that the cup depth is correct every time. There are even holes that you can use to guide a bit for hinge screw holes. The Concealed Hinge Jig comes with a high-quality carbide tip bit to ensure great results. Mouse Detail Sander. The Black & Decker BDEM S600 Mouse Detail Sander features a 3-position grip for control and ease of use in multiple applications. The palm grip is ideal for sanding surfaces. The precision grip provides extreme maneuverability, and the handle grip allows you to get into ultra-tight spaces. It offers high-performance dust collection with microfiltration for a clean workspace, along with a see-through dust canister to help let you know when it's full. Its compact size and ergonomic design gets into tight spaces and maximizes user control. The sander runs at 1400 orbits per minute and at 1.5 amps of power. Features high-performance dust collection with microfiltration for a clean workspace. An included detail finger attachment can be interchanged to help sand hard-to-reach spaces. Toggle clamps. Auto-adjust toggle clamps with auto-adjust technology offers an adjustable range of clamping pressures between 25 to 250 pounds, durable construction, with a holding capacity of 450 pounds. Allows for fast setups and consistent clamping pressure. One Armor auto-adjust toggle clamp replaces several standard toggle clamps because of its expanded range of clamping force and height, which means fewer tools, fixtures, and workstations. Coupled with our auto-adjust technology, the adjustment setting allows you to adjust the pressure to fit your needs. High pressure for larger projects or lower pressure for more delicate pieces. Nickel-plated heat-treated carbon steel. Handle closes in horizontal position to minimize obstructions. Pivoting spindle head accommodates variations in material shape. Perfect Butt Scribing Tool. The Perfect Butt Profile Scriber is another absolutely unique M-Power solution, suitable for everyone, from the beginning amateur to the master professional. We're sure you'll enjoy using it as much as we do, because like all our products, it makes woodworking easier, more accurate, and saves time whilst reducing error. Multiple diameter scribing wheels allows fast scribe marking across both narrow and wider gaps. Also ideal for template making for spilling work. 5 different scribing diameter options using the 18mm cap wheel, 29mm wheel, 50mm wheel, 70mm wheel, or 90mm wheel. Wheels quickly interchange, slipping over the central body and rotating as the scribe is being made for easy drag-free one-handed operation. Center spring-loaded pencil for easy marking up, allowing one hand to hold any work while you scribe. The sprung pencil in its center will accurately copy the profile directly onto the workpiece to be installed. It can then be cut and fitted to the surface, resulting in a perfect butt. 4 sizes of quick-fit track wheels to cope with a variety of situations. Hackzall. The Milwaukee 2719-21 M18 Fuel Hackzall is the fastest cutting and most powerful one-handed reciprocating saw. Utilizing a PowerState brushless motor and a best-in-class 7/8-inch stroke length, the M18 Fuel Hackzall cuts up to 50% faster than competitors. The compact one-handed design provides superior control and the ability to make cuts in tight spaces. The dual-gear counterbalance mechanism provides up to 4 times lower vibration than traditional reciprocating saws, resulting in faster cut starts in metal and reduced user fatigue. RedLink Plus intelligence ensures optimized performance and protects your investment from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. The M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack provides more work per charge and more work over the life of the pack than competitive batteries. UJK Drill Guide. It is practically impossible to drill at a specific angle freehand. This highly engineered drill guide guarantees precise results. The UJK Technology Drill Guide is in effect a hugely versatile and portable pillar drill. The portability of this guide ensures that you can drill virtually anywhere. Set at 90 degrees, it produces perfectly perpendicular holes. Quadrants on each side of the base allow angle setting at plus or minus 55 degrees. A threaded knob on one side and the auxiliary handle on the other ensure any chosen angle setting is secure. The underside of the base has a rubberized high-friction pad to help steady the guide. The large aperture in the base gives a clear view of the drilling mark and allows the use of bits up to 60mm diameter. Integral V guides mean you can drill around the stock or pipes. The base has holes for fixing the guide in place onto a jig or sub-base. The chuck guide assembly runs between twin steel guide bars. Oil light bronze bushes ensure a smooth action and zero play between the assembly and guide bars. There is enough space between the bars to accommodate most drills. A precision machined main shaft runs inside another oil light bush for accuracy. UJK Grooving Jig. This beautifully engineered piece of equipment allows you to cut grooves, dados, and rectangular cutouts. It offers far greater accuracy and precision than previously possible. Primarily designed for use with the UJK Pro Grip Clamp, the UJK Technology Precision Grooving Jig offers unrivaled functionality. It will run on any suitable straight edge between 10mm and 16mm thick and 45mm to 55mm wide. The only other equipment required is a router fitted with a 30mm guide bush. After setting up the jig, the router and guide bush fit into the 30mm aperture and cutting can proceed. The jig glides exceptionally smoothly along the clamp. The clamp housing has two bearings on one side and a low friction plate on the other. A lockable adjusting screw moves the low friction plate to remove any play between the jig and clamp. A domed lens with a scale and crosshairs allow you to position the jig precisely, both in relation to the scale on the Pro Grip Clamp and in relation to a line marked on your workpiece. For greater precision, a vernier scale with a micro adjuster allows you to set the jig with an accuracy of 0.1mm. If you wish to cut a groove wider than the cutter, the scale and threaded adjustment provide the necessary control for a second pass. If after the first cut the groove is too narrow, you can always use the micro adjuster to shift it a smidgen for a second pass. When cutting an aperture, the jig allows the same precision. It allows a crosscut length up to 100mm and enables you to cut all four sides in one go. Deep cuts will obviously require more than one pass. PWRCore 12. Compact and packed with power from light to heavy-duty DIY projects. The Skil PWRCore 12 brushless 12-volt half-inch cordless drill driver is your go-to power tool. The brushless motor provides durability and compact power. With PWRCore 12 patented battery innovation, this power drill is ready to tackle your next project. Power up fast whatever you're working on. Nothing should hold you back, especially project downtime. With the PWRCore 12 power jump charger, just 5 minutes gives you enough power for 100 screws. Laguna F2 Table Saw. Laguna's F2 Fusion Table Saw sits in the middle of the line between the F1 and the industrial level F3. The F2 is a hybrid cabinet saw with a full cast iron table, heavy steel fence body with low friction Teflon sliders, and a totally enclosed one-piece steel base with excellent dust collection above and below the table and shrouding the blade. The one-piece cast aluminum trunnion bolts directly to the cabinet for easier adjustment for parallelism of the miter gauge and blade. The steel cabinet also has an integrated wheel system inside, so you don't have to purchase a separate mobility kit. Rockler Pro Lift Router Lift. Two patent-pending features raise the Rockler Pro Lift into a class of its own. Ultra-fast quick gear height adjustments and snap-lock tool-free insert ring changes. Push the button to release the insert ring. Then wind the quick gear to raise the bit above the table in just seconds. Once the bit is installed, quickly lower it, click the insert ring, and use the fine adjustment gear to set the final height to within 0.001 inch. All this is achieved more quickly, more efficiently, and more intuitively with a Rockler Pro Lift. Raise your woodworking to a new level. Make height adjustments 4 times faster with the quick gear 4:1 gearbox ratio dramatically speeds up your bit changes. Anti-backlash mechanism keeps the router from creeping downward. Lock knob provides further insurance when running very large jobs. Milescraft MC-Squares. The multifunctional MC-Square 150 and MC-Square 300 are the perfect reference measurement and marking tools for precise woodworking, remodeling, and many other applications. With the built-in easy angle readout, you can also mark 30-degree and 45-degree angles. Need to draw a circle? This square can do that too. Simply remove the fence and secure the square with a nail or screw. made with an anodized aluminum material with 3mm thickness. Have an inside and outside scales for measuring and marking the inside and outside of your workpiece.